Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a survey in Typeform. First, log in to your account and click the Create a New Form button. You can choose to build your survey from scratch for full control or select from many available templates to save time. Next, add a friendly welcome screen to set the tone. Then, you can begin adding your questions, ensuring each one is clear and concise for your audience. Now, let's make your questions shine. Typeform offers many question types, from multiple choice to short text and opinion scales. You can make any question required to ensure you gather all necessary information. To boost engagement, consider adding images, GIF, or even short videos to your questions. Remember to customize settings like character limits for text answers, providing a smooth experience for everyone. Personalize your survey's look and feel by choosing from various themes, colors, and fonts. You can easily upload your brand logo and select a background image to make it truly yours. A powerful feature is logic jumps, which allows you to create dynamic question paths, showing respondents only relevant questions. You can also set up multiple custom ending screens, guiding users to specific outcomes. Once your survey is perfect, it's time to publish it and share it with the world. You can easily copy a direct link, send it out through email campaigns, or post it on social media. For a more integrated approach, embed your Typeform directly onto your website or blog. Finally, dive into the results section to view real-time analytics, track completion rates, and analyze individual responses to gain valuable insights.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.